Last week, we saw India go through its big moment of change with the new government taking over. So how does this impact business relations between Mauritius and India? Well, we got both voices to get us some views and expectations. While the new Indian government is busy setting up its cabinet, experts in both Mauritius and India are optimistic going forward.
With this new government, which evidently is going to be a more business-friendly government, economic issues are going to be the main agenda in the coming weeks and months. Mauritius and India will have to find, a new level of relationship in terms of economic development.
We are happy that the elections in India have come up with a clear winner. There will be one party that has got the majority, so it will make it easier for the government to take decisions. So the stability is always good for business, and we have seen the reaction of business people in India. So I suppose it will all go well for us and for foreign investors wanting to go to India.
And if you talk to any investor, whether it's retail, whether it's institutional, whether it's foreign investors, I think everybody is right now very bullish. But that's also something that makes me a little cautious in the sense, you don't want expectations to run too much ahead of the reality.
The financial sector in Mauritius also hopes that the uncertainty over the amendment of the Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement will soon be resolved.
For the past 1 year, you can say, there has been uncertainty about the future, uncertainty about what was going to happen to the treaty, and that has definitely caused harm to Mauritius as the financial center of Mauritius. We hope that this is going to be a priority now on this new government's agenda. Mauritius will certainly, I believe, there is already there are in preparation a delegation which will be moving to India. I think we'll try to put this on the top of the agenda so that we get this uncertainty removed.
In that respect, we believe that the uncertainties over the DTA talks with Mauritius will be lifted very soon, and we will be able to have only one round of negotiations, and we can get to a treaty that satisfies both parties. And of course, we will have to make some concessions. Everybody will have to make concessions. And we hope that it will come as a win-win.
I think that this uncertainty has been there for some time. In the sense, people, Indian government definitely wanted to bring this treaty at par with the treaty that we have with Singapore. And I think that was causing a little bit of concern in terms of a lot of clients, postponing their decisions or thinking through the right structure to come in. There is also there's at least a thinking in the minds of a lot of investors that war might get postponed for some time, and this treaty might have a more favorable look in from the new government.